So we've had the litter robot for 2 days now, and the cats are definitely using it, which is really cool. I really like getting the notifications on my app. It tells me when it's completed a cleaning cycle. That's just kind of cool. There's a little gauge and it shows you how full the bottom is to where like when you would need to empty it. So it's really cool because when I first got it, it definitely was like completely on empty. It shows like all the different cleaning cycles that have happened. And I've noticed there's a few times where it'll say cat sensor fault. And I was like, oh God, like what's wrong with it? I think that's when the cat uses it. You can set how long you want it to wait until it runs a cleaning cycle, depending on what your needs are. You can do like 3 minutes, 7 minutes, or 15 minutes. So we have it set at 7 minutes. If one of the cats uses it and then they jump back in or another cat jumps back in within that 7 minutes, it'll say like cat sensor fault, but then it'll wait a little bit and then it'll still do the cleaning cycle like 7 minutes after that. So I think sometimes it gets confused. I wasn't sure if I needed to like do something, but it seems like it solves its own problem there. So that's really cool. We have one cat who's like outdoor kind of cat. He acts like a stray. So I wasn't sure how he would feel about it, but he's pretty laid back and he's been completely fine with it from the beginning. We have a really skittish little cat who is like afraid of everything. I was really not sure how she would do with it, but she's been fine. They've both been using it, which is really cool. I tried to get a video of one of them like jumping in there, but it was really dark, so you couldn't really see anything. At night, it's kind of cool. There's like a blue light that's in there, so it's almost like a night light, so they can like see, and it's not so bright that it would disturb anyone if the room was completely dark. We have our blinds pulled behind it, so I think it thinks that it's night, so it's on kind of all the time. I like it. I think it's kind of cool. I have no complaints with it. It has been really nice to not have to clean the litter box. It's just every time I look in there, it's completely clean, which I love. So we keep our litter box like in our living room. We don't really have a laundry room that's big enough to put a litter box in or any area with hard floor that we could put it in. So it has to be sort of right out in the open. Before we had a little like hidden litter box thing. It was fine, but we got it off Wayfair and it leaked and kind of ruined our flooring. Yeah, bad times. This is just so much better because they're not like tracking litter everywhere. I put a little litter mat in front of it and then like a rug underneath it. Of course, there's going to be like a little bit of litter. That's why we vacuum for the most part. The litter is all staying completely inside, which I love. I have noticed like way less litter tracking. And I think that's because they have like a step down and then I put that litter mat right outside. And I think that kind of catches everything. And I like that it's like egg shaped because my cats like to like dig around in it and that used to like flick litter everywhere. And I find that now they're not doing that. Or if they are, it's staying inside. Highly recommend. If anything ever changes, I will make an update video. As of right now, I'm excited to get this video out because a lot of people were asking about it. I think it is 100% worth the money. If you can get one like used or refurbished like we did, even better, because even with the little scratch it has on the side, it works completely fine and nobody's really looking at your litter box that closely. I didn't receive this product for free. I 100% paid for it. This isn't like a sponsored video. I just like genuinely like it so much that I wanted to talk about it, and I think it's a great solution for, especially if you have multiple cats. They always have a clean litter box to go in and that's what they're gonna prefer. Totally am never gonna be without one now because I love it so much. This company also offers like automatic feeders and I'm like, now I'm really looking into everything because we have a water fountain for the cats that just like always is running water. Now they drink so much more water, which I love. If I could get like an automatic feeder, I mean, we could just leave. The cats could just live in this house on their own. It's like having a fish. Thank you guys so much for watching and letting me know that you guys wanted to see this video. It makes it way more fun. I love getting new gadgets for the house. It's like my favorite thing, home automation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye guys.